You probably visit dozens of websites every day. You open your device browser and navigate your way to Google. You will then visit other websites based on the results of your Google search in order to find information, data illustration, and etc. Anyway, I'm just providing examples to show you that every time you launch a website, you may actually generate revenue streams that will allow you to earn up to $4,000 in total. I know it's unbelievable, but this is not a joke because today I'll show you how to achieve this method quickly, and by the end of this video, you'll be efficient and well on your way to financial independence. So watch until the end to discover this strategy. Before we begin, I'd like to welcome you to our channel, Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas for achieving financial independence. Remember to subscribe to the channel and give it a positive rating. Feel free to leave a comment below or click the bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. With that said, let's get started on this new technique. Now let's jump right into the first website, which is called Upvoice. It's not much of a website though. It's more of an add-on for your Google Chrome browser. Yes, this method only works if you use Google Chrome. Anyway, let's learn more about the website before we sign up and download it. Once we're on their information page, you can find Upvoice right here. This is where you can start earning gift cards just by using your computer to visit social media sites. If you spend a lot of time on social media, you might be what people call a social media addict. Then this is right up your alley. But in all honesty, I think everyone uses social media these days, so I think this strategy will work perfectly for everyone. How does it work? As you can see, everything can be done in just 3 easy steps. After you sign up, the first step is to install Upvoice browser extension, which we'll talk about soon. The setup is free, safe, and easy to use. Step 2 is to go to one of the social media sites they support that you like and follow the instructions they give you there. Step 3 is almost make money while you look at social media sites. Upvoice records ads in the background and gives you points every day that you can use to buy gift cards. Now you're pretty much free to look around the site some more and find important information that you think will fill the knowledge gap. This page has everything you need to know, so feel free to scroll up and down and look at everything. After you found out everything you wanted to know, you can sign up by clicking the blue button in the middle that says Sign Up. This will bring you to this page where you can start the registration process officially. You can use Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo to sign in, so choose a method that works best for you. Once you've signed up, go back to the steps and start with step 1, which is to add the extension to your browser. Once you do this, you can create a stream of income that makes it easy for you to make money by doing what you love to do online, like visiting social media platforms. You can do this while lying on bed, waiting in line for groceries, or just randomly scrolling through your favorite apps. Think about how easy it would be to make a passive stream of income by doing this. Now, isn't that cool? Well, that's pretty much it for Upvoice. So we can move on to Brave.com, which has the next video for today. You should know that Brave is basically a browser like Google. However, unlike Google, Brave gives you great results that are right on target with your search terms. Let me tell you that Brave and Upvoice is exactly the same. It's just as fast, easy to use, and gives you results that are very relevant to what you're looking for. From what we know, Brave is different in one simple word: money. With Brave, you can actually make money by looking at content and supporting the people you like. As I said before, all of these websites will be set up so that they work for you. This means that you are the center of the universe and all of these websites work for you. So you should be happy to know that Brave works perfectly on all of your devices. And what's even better is that you can use either Android or iOS because they both work just fine on both. Since it can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, everything is a big chef's kiss. Brave has been downloaded by more than 500,000 people and has an average rating of 4.6 stars out of a possible 5. This is crazy because most apps only get an average of about 3 stars. So Brave is above the worldwide average. Not only that, but you can see here that a lot of feedback and comments are very good. With a reputation as good as this app's, there is no question about its honesty and reliability. But before we move on, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video so far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. The last website I'll talk about in today's video is Kiwi.com, which is the third website I'll talk about. You'll know right away what Kiwi is about because this is where you can share your opinion and stop to earn real cash rewards. Take note, you will earn real money, not just swag or points. By the way, they do emphasize this, but their website is very detailed and you can find out everything you need to know right now, right here. Let's look around for a moment. If you scroll down a little, you'll see what Kiwi has 3 main features. First, companies want to know what you think and are willing to pay you for it. Second, cashback. Get cashback when you buy great products and enjoy having a little more money in your wallet at the end of the month. Lastly, deals. You can find deals on the most popular brands or just let them show you the ones they think you like. All of them will be based on this huge platform called Kiwi. Keep scrolling down to see their amazing response. They say right here that they're kind of a big deal and have good Trustpilot ratings. You can expect Trustpilot to tell you how popular a website is, so you're in good hands. Next, figure out how everything works. Kiwi will do all the work for you, and all you have to do to get started is take a few quick steps. You could take surveys and make money while going to work, studying, or just by doing random things. You can get your money quickly if you have a PayPal account, so just go back to the top of the website and start the sign-up process right away. After you put in your email address and password, all you have to do is click the sign up button. Now, the bad thing about Kiwi is that it is currently only available in a few countries: the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France. If you live in one of these countries, you should be able to use the service without any problems. If you don't, you'll need to use a VPN service. There are a lot of free VPN services on the internet, so just pick the one that works best for you. So what do you think about these websites? Is it a great way to make money on the internet? Do you think it will be able to take the place of our jobs as our main source of income in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you like this video and want to see more, click the like button below. If you want to know more about how to make money online, you can watch some of our other videos. Since I upload new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when a new one is available. As always, I'm glad you took the time to watch, and I hope to see you in our future videos.